So it's been a while since we've been on our last adventure. Where are we gonna go today to alleviate that, Deanna?
Turkey Run State Park in Indiana.
And we're gonna get some hiking in on this very warm day. Well, I think it's fair to say we're not the only ones wanting to go to Turkey Run today.
We're still 0.6 miles away according to the GPS, so we'll see how fast this goes.
Yeah. Well guys, we found parking, but it is a very busy day at Turkey Run State Park today. We're gonna have to take, was it Trail 1 over the suspension bridge? Yeah. Normally we park in the other parking lot, but it was almost completely full. So, all right. See if we can navigate our way around. So if you've been following our channel for a while now, we've actually been to Turkey Run a few times, but only once that we filmed. One goes that way towards the suspension bridge, and then we can hopefully take some of the cool ladder trails. Before they started opening the state parks, I think like Trail 1, Trail 6, just the ones on this side of the river were the only ones that were open, but now they opened up the entire state park. So we're gonna go hopefully hike on some of the cool trails on the other side. Making our way down to the suspension bridge over here. Beautiful day here at Turkey Run State Park. Looks like it's moving pretty swiftly today. So we're taking Trail 3, which is the ladders trail. A lot busier than we were expecting, but I guess it makes sense. See, there's even waterfalls in Indiana. Just not very big ones. This kind of reminds me of, what is it, Hawking something or other in State Park in Ohio? Old Man's Cave.
Yeah, Old Man's Cave.
I used to go back there before they had that sign up. Unless they've always had that up and I just never read. This is a really cool section too when it's all frozen over during the winter time. There's huge icicles that form on either side of this. I'll see if I can go through some old photos and find some, but it's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet waterfall. Got a lot of rain recently, so there's a lot of water coming down here. Sugar Creek, a nearby creek where you can take your kayaks and canoes out. It's about a foot above normal right now, so definitely gonna make this more fun hiking through here.
Did you know that? Yeah.
Pretty sweet through here, guys. And if you don't bring the proper footwear, you can't really do this, but it feels good on the feet. Or sometimes you can do this, but I can't do that. My legs don't split that far. Whew. It is busy. Back to the punch bowl again. A little bit more water this time than the last time I came through here. A little bit of a cave through here. Whew. That's quite a few people back there, guys. Finally getting back into the open here. That's probably the most difficult portion of Turkey Run State Park. People were very indecisive which way they wanted to go. Also quite a few stairs on this trail. A little out of shape myself. Been a while since we've done a decent hike. Stairs. Looks like we're heading back down to the creek. More slurrying through water. Either boots or like nice sandals to bring through here, because you will get wet and muddy.
No, Emily, the ladders do not take us the way Mom wants us to go.
You just gotta jump in there. It's at least 20 feet deep. Huh? Made it down to the bottom. Back down in the ravine. Nice and cool down here compared to up top. Found ourselves a little rock up here to eat a snack as we head through Trail 3. I think Trail 5 and Trail 3 are around here somewhere. But we did the ladders and now we're hiking our way back towards the suspension bridge, I think, unless we want to go somewhere else. And 140 steps, they say. I think on the map. Yeah. Oh, that didn't count. Beautiful day. A little hot for me, but beautiful. We may have missed the trail, went the wrong direction. We're backtracking currently. See, there's some hills in Indiana every once in a while. You got your rafters out there, and kayakers, canoers. Definitely a good weekend to do that. That's the ice box down there. We've done enough stairs today, so we're opting out of it, but it's nice and cool in there. Made it back to the suspension bridge. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
DnSAdventures.com.
And as always,
Adventure on.
combination of people being stuck in their homes for 2 months and Memorial Day weekend. My goodness. I think we should go back to Turkey Run.
Maybe a different day.
I think we may have found the end though, unless the woods is blocking it.
I don't know. Yeah, I think it's about the end.
I only said that 2 or 3 times now though. There's the end of it. Made it to Cove Spring Natural Preserve, City of Frankfurt. I don't know which way I need to go.
Park closed.